Installing aftermarket winch on a Polaris 570. You remove that cover. Now you have to remove that cover. You can see these are the mounting holes. You need this special bracket. I put some Loctite on bolts and now some Ooga Doogas. Make sure they're tight. Okay, here is the aftermarket winch on my 570 Sportsman. It is Polish husar winch. I will bring with the bracket with the winch. I'll route all the wiring. They're here, goes here and up, and on top comes here through the ECU, and I put contactor here. There is enough place, as you can see. Then the switch is right here. I'm gonna also cover this and protect it from the water. It comes also with a wireless remote. Pretty solid, pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna install it later. Put somewhere here, I think this.